LRAD. A long-range acoustic device, or LRAD, is a specialized loudspeaker designed to produce high-powered sound for long-distance communication. Initially developed for maritime use after the USS Cole attack, LRADs have found applications in various sectors. While primarily intended for clear and effective communication, their high decibel capacity has led to controversial use as a crowd control tool. These devices can deliver live or recorded messages with exceptional clarity over significant distances, even in noisy environments. However, their ability to produce extremely loud sounds has raised concerns about potential harm to human hearing. Crook Hook. Crook Hook Vehicle Hold is a specialized law enforcement tool designed to prevent and end vehicle pursuits. Developed from the need for a safer and more effective method to apprehend fleeing suspects, Crook Hook is essentially a modified push bumper capable of securely holding a vehicle in place. Its versatility extends beyond high-speed pursuits, including applications in low-speed chases, traffic stops, and even vehicle checkpoints. By providing a means to immobilize a vehicle quickly and safely, Crook Hook aims to reduce the risk of accidents, injuries, and fatalities associated with traditional pursuit tactics. NightHawk and StopStick. NightHawk and StopStick are law enforcement tools designed to safely and effectively terminate high-speed pursuits. The NightHawk is a remotely operated spike strip system that can be deployed and retracted without putting officers in harm's way. It offers increased precision and speed in deploying the spikes, making it a valuable asset in dangerous situations. While similar in function, is typically a manually deployed spike strip. Both devices work by puncturing the tires of a fleeing vehicle, forcing it to slow down and stop. These tools have become essential equipment for law enforcement agencies worldwide, helping to reduce the risk of accidents and injuries caused by high-speed chases. BolaWrap. The BolaWrap is a non-lethal restraint device used by law enforcement. It functions by firing a Kevlar tether that entangles a subject's arms and legs from a distance of 10 to 25 feet. Designed to de-escalate situations involving individuals who are emotionally disturbed, resisting arrest, or posing a threat without the use of deadly force, the BolaWrap offers a less injurious alternative to traditional methods of restraint, such as tasers or physical force. While effective in many situations, it's important to note that the BolaWrap is not a guaranteed solution and its effectiveness can vary depending on factors like the subject's clothing and physical condition. MVB-3X. The MVB-3X is a cutting-edge modular vehicle barrier engineered to provide maximum protection with minimal deployment time. Its robust construction and advanced energy absorption technology effectively mitigate the impact of vehicle-borne threats, safeguarding critical infrastructure, public spaces, and high-profile events. Designed for rapid deployment by a single individual, the MVB-3X offers unparalleled flexibility and adaptability, making it a preferred choice for security professionals worldwide. With its ability to withstand high-speed impacts and its compatibility with various terrains, the MVB-3X sets a new standard in perimeter security. TASER. TASER, a brand name often used interchangeably with the device itself, is a conducted electrical weapon, or CEW, designed to incapacitate individuals temporarily. It functions by discharging a high-voltage electrical current through two barbed probes fired from the device. This electrical shock disrupts the body's neuromuscular system, causing involuntary muscle contractions and temporary paralysis. While intended as a less lethal alternative to firearms, the use of tasers has sparked controversy due to reports of injuries and fatalities. Factors such as the individual's health, physical condition, and the specific circumstances of deployment can influence the outcome of taser use. MobileSpike. MobileSpike is a cutting-edge law enforcement tool designed to neutralize dangerous car chases. The innovative system utilizes a vehicle-mounted retractable arm equipped with tire-deflating spikes. By deploying these spikes remotely and safely from within a police vehicle, MobileSpike significantly reduces the risks associated with traditional pursuit tactics. This technology offers a more controlled and effective method of stopping fleeing suspects, minimizing the potential for harm to both officers and innocent bystanders. As MobileSpike continues to gain traction in law enforcement agencies worldwide, it is expected to become a standard component in the pursuit of public safety. XNET. The XNET Vehicle Arrest System is a cutting-edge tool in law enforcement and security. Designed to be a safer alternative to traditional spike strips, XNET utilizes a unique net deployment system to immobilize vehicles rapidly and effectively. This non-lethal technology significantly reduces the risk of injuries to both occupants and bystanders during high-speed pursuits. Its portability and ease of use make it a versatile asset for various law enforcement scenarios. By providing a controlled and predictable vehicle stop, XNET enhances overall public safety and reduces property damage. The Barnacle. Parking Services is excited to introduce the Barnacle, a new parking enforcement tool designed to streamline the violation resolution process. This innovative device is attached to a vehicle's windshield, preventing the driver from operating the vehicle until the parking violation is resolved. Unlike traditional towing methods, the Barnacle offers a more convenient and cost-effective solution for both motorists and parking authorities. By providing clear and immediate consequences for illegal parking, it aims to deter violations and improve parking compliance. Vessel Arrest Exclusion Boom. Vessel arrest exclusion booms are robust, floating barriers specifically engineered for maritime security. They are deployed to safeguard critical infrastructure, high-value assets, and sensitive waterfronts from unauthorized vessel intrusion. These booms are typically constructed from high tensile strength materials and are designed to withstand harsh marine conditions. When a vessel attempts to breach the boom, its propellers become entangled, safely immobilizing the craft without causing significant damage. This technology offers a reliable and effective deterrent to potential threats, providing a crucial layer of protection for ports, harbors, and other vulnerable water-based assets.